Hey everybody, so I've got a diagram here and I'm going to draw lines on it over the next 3 or 4 days, giving you different videos to show you what's going on in this thing called the claims process. But for those of you that have been around long enough to remember, there was a time that when you had a claim, you had damage on your car, you would call your insurance agent. Those days are long gone. What happens now is they have an 800 number, and what you do is you're calling directly in to the claims department. Now, one of the reasons why they're doing that, or they did that back a long time ago, is because they wanted to cut the insurance agent out of this entire process they called the claims process. The reason why they wanted to do that is because when you call the insurance company at this 800 number, they give you no advice on whether you should or should not file a claim. They're going to let you file a claim simply because you called them. And in today's world, they're going to raise their rates. So this 800 number is actually money for the insurance company, because when you file this claim, they're going to raise your rates. One of the things we have here at Sharp Auto Body is a should I file a claim calculator. What you really want to do is call us first to see whether you need to file a claim. There are many instances where it's going to be in your best financial interest not to file a claim, but to pay for it out of your pocket. Now, a general rule of thumb I use is normally 1.5 times your deductible. So if your deductible is $500, then really, if you've got something that's $750 or below, then it's probably still in your best interest to not file a claim. I can tell you that the stronger you are financially and the higher this can go, the better off you're going to be. So keep in mind that when you're calling this 800 number, they've cut the insurance agent out because they want you to file that claim even if you may not need to, but they're going to still make money. So that's the first line on our graph. I'll be back tomorrow with some more.